Okay, today, first video here with the webcam. I just thought let's just put on the webcam. Today's Tuesday. It's a beautiful day. So let's just look at the market. We just opened right there. Yeah, we opened right there. Let's quickly look at the news first. You see the news, we have jolts and we have Trump speaking as well. Yeah, Trump speaking as well. With jolts, I like to wait till 4. So we are gonna do that. Let's quickly mark the sell side right here. So what have we done today? So today we opened right here. Just went a bit slow right there. Created equal highs right here in London. And here are the lunch buy set from yesterday in this gap right there. So this is start on the monthly. On the monthly is the last day of the month. And we have this monthly 20% right here. And I find it a bit difficult because it's kind of same on the DJF, I think, the monthly, because we don't really have to close right here on all-time high because it's just difficult. You have nothing on the left. Just can't close there. Just I have that in mind, but I don't try to have like a lot of focus on here. So what I was looking for is we've engineered buyside right here, right there. If you look at ES also right there. Here's the 20% on ES with this 1 hour gap here. So this was kind of a target for me, but also the buyside. So I was a bit not that confident about today. It's So I wasn't that confident about today, but I thought let's just wait a little bit till 10, because then jolts is there. If you look at Dixie, trade down into this busy right here, to this busy right here. We have a daily order block as well. We didn't, we just failed the daily order block. I think we failed the high quadrant as well. Yeah, we failed that as well. We went higher. This is my draw on liquidity right here for Dixie. So good buy side right here. We could drop down one more time into here, but after that I think we're gonna go higher. So yeah, now it's just waiting. It's on the RTH low of yesterday and near the opening gap. Could say an SMT as well. But now I'm just waiting. If you go above first presented, then I would be pretty confident in the buy side right here. This is like too clean right here. Open up, close the whole RTH of yesterday. So I think from here is a good electronic trading hours is a good like buy. Let's just go on a demo real quick. It's a demo trade, so let's just put it on a demo. I'm not gonna do anything right now. I'm just gonna wait for. I'm just gonna wait right now. So 9:30 manipulation, and then close the whole RTH, and then go high. That's what I expect now to happen. Let's just add one more if it touches this first presented. Really want to see this open. I bought, I think, one more here on the first presented. Also, I saw watching this wick. We touched this wick again. This is something I want to see. You're gonna get stopped out right here. We close below the CE. Yes, we get stopped out right there. It's fine. It's jolts. There's a reason that I'm not trading. I still think this is too clean. I don't think tomorrow. You could let it could be for tomorrow, but it's fine. Let's just quickly wait right now. I just want to see yes catch up and take down this lows right there. I want to see can we do that. let's see, news in 1 minute. So we're gonna see we just traded down to the new week opening. We also traded into this 4-hour inversion. So turn that into this. We have the RTH of that level still there because you could use that as like some sort of gap right here. We trade that, into the opening. Just went higher from there. But I'm just waiting on news. Where can I buy? I think if you get a close above the first presented, so let's say we get a close right here and we just drop down into there, I can buy that and then go lower, go higher. So I think this is my buy right there. Have to wait. This low shouldn't be taken then if you're gonna go above here. But again, I don't like how yes is right here. Also EM, of course, we have that salsa right here. So that's two things that I don't really like. I like how Dixie went lower right here. Then I would probably say this daily order block. Again, now trading also into this wick CE as well. I think this also a 4-hour. Also a 4-hour wick right there. So we're just gonna wait right now. How are we gonna react on that? Let's buy 3 right there and then okay, 3, we bought 3 right there. I'm just gonna wait a little bit for this volume and balance right here, and then I'm gonna buy the other two. Seems like we closed inside of it, we did. And for that, I'm gonna buy 1 extra, not 2 extra, because we closed inside of it. I'm gonna add another one right there. So we in right there. It's busy right here. I want to see higher from here. Trump is speaking in, I think, 40 minutes. So this is our last trade. We're not gonna re-enter or do anything else. Look right here. So we close above this wick right here, and we have this volume balance right here. Right, I bought right here, and I bought on this volume balance. We did close inside of the first presented, so that's the reason why I only have 4 instead of 5. I'm still confident in going higher. It's just the reason that I didn't. I think our stop needs to be on this right here. So that's so I think we're risking enough. The partials. Where are we gonna go and take the partials? So we have this highs right here. We just go a bit deep in that. That's fine. Mark it like this. Doesn't look that good for it to go that deep. It's fine. So our first partial is going to be this relative equal highs right here. Let's also look at ES. So ES closed right here outside, above the first percent right here into this gap. We're looking for this buy side right here on ES. This buy side right there. So I'm going to see it go higher from this first presented, from this busy right here. Be fine. I'm not gonna go stress right now. Just fine. I had a plan. I followed the plan. Maybe the close above the first percentage would have been a little bit better. It just barely, it just didn't do that. But I think this low shouldn't be taken. So then you I think this low shouldn't be taken, otherwise I will think that we're gonna go there, and otherwise I will just be done and go move on towards PM, and I'm gonna close the charts and not go do anything in AM. I'm just gonna do other things, and then in PM I come back. That's how simple it is. It's good weather outside, so I'm just gonna take a walk outside and do some other things. And edit this video. To go above this first presented. Close right there, I don't like that close. Just waiting. Let's look at YM. What is YM doing? Yeah, YM are just neutral. Could go for this side, it could go right there. Dixie, it traded down into that daily busy high again and rejected from that. I would have liked it to go down here. That's what I thought was gonna happen. So a higher Dixie doesn't really help, but it's fine. I haven't risked a lot. Just close inside of this. I don't like that. Why is it doing that? Something you don't want to see. You want to see it close above. That's fine. Till Trump, then we're probably gonna deliver later this day. If you at all gonna go towards the buy side today. Doesn't seem that good right now. I allowed to trade once more in that 400 balance, but it's probably gonna break me out then. If it does, I'm watching now the daily CE. We hit that. That's a low right now, and now we out. So it's fine. There. Just gonna make a picture, right? I'm not gonna re-enter. I said it already. I'm not gonna re-enter. So I should probably just close the charts. So just before I'm not gonna close this video. We delivered towards this London buy side. We led the lunch highs of yesterday there. It was the London macro, London close macro, and we went lower. Right now I'm done for the day, or maybe not for the day, but for now I'm just gonna wait 2 hours and then maybe looking for this. But like I entered right here, and my target was good, so I was good on the direction. Just the time where I took it was not good. You see here, it was the first hour right here, and we went to our point of interest that I already said it was a 4-hour busy that we already were in. We fully closed that, like a 4-hour inversion right there. We had a daily rebalance right there. So that was hit on 9:30. Now we just needed to wait for jolts, so we waited. That's good. Went towards the opening gap, also towards the 4-hour busy low, to the new week opening. And higher from there, jolts came out. I'm just waiting. I'm just waited perfectly here. I wanted to see how are we gonna react here, and based on that, I entered. And on the yes, we had this equal low still. Still this equal low, it was a bit too clean. And I already knew that. And when we took the lows, so I entered, I think, when ES was around here, I entered for this buy side on the ES. We took the sell side, and also YM, you see, we took the sell side, also YM. So YM and ES both took the sell side, and then after that, we made the win higher. I just wanted to say that. So we were a bit early. that I expect ES to go into the sell side. It could have happened, and it did. And that's the reason why we took the loss today, because ES and YM should have taken that sell side before we're gonna go make a one up, but it's fine. I said to myself, I'm not gonna re-enter. I didn't. Where was the re-entry? So on this moment right here, right there, we took the sell side on ES and then YM. This is the busy where we entered around, and it get reclaimed right there. So you could have taken a trade right there, partial on here, maybe here, maybe here, another runner from the lunge, and we failed the lunge and couldn't get above the new day, a new week opening gap of this week, and went lower and on the close. So I'm happy. I'm not too mad about this trade. It's just something to journal again and to say, okay, maybe next time we can. So on a day like this where you expect not the best price action, just wait a little bit on the good confirmation, and then the ES and the YM were the confirmation was fine. We're now done for the session right here. I'm now gonna edit the video and then upload it, and maybe in PM I will do something. This has my eye, but also still the lunge buy side right there has my eye. Maybe I'm done for the day. I don't know yet. But yeah, that was it for today. So tot tomorrow.